right, so we're here in Gardner, Kansas. We're gonna be putting in a 1 acre pond here. The property's about 30 acres big, and they're asking for a 1 acre pond. And that, honestly, that pond is gonna go beautifully behind me. What they're gonna be doing is building their home over here to my right. They're gonna be putting the pond behind me. And then we're also gonna be putting up a shop over there, driveway, and a whole bunch of other stuff out here. Right now, we're putting in the silt fence. What that is gonna do is it's basically gonna encompass our entire digging area, all of the downhill side. And that's gonna catch all the silt from the entire project. And that's just to ensure that none of the neighbors get any of our mess on their property. Basically what that's gonna consist of is a trench. It's gonna be about 6 to 8 inches deep. We're gonna put these stakes in. These are 2 inch by 2 inch by 48 inch stakes. They're gonna go in about 1 foot deep. And then we're gonna put up a 3-foot silt fence in here. Dirt goes back on top, and that's all of the protection that's gonna be needed to keep our job site and the neighbors separated. After this silt fence is installed, then we're gonna start excavating the pond. And that first step is gonna be stripping all the topsoil off. So we'll be back for that. All right, so the silt fence is up. That went up a few days ago and passed inspection just fine. So we clearly aren't starting today. It just rained. We got a lot of rain. It's just gonna be way too wet to do anything out here. But our scraper did just get delivered, so we'll be kind of situated just in time. So whenever it does dry out, we can go ahead and get started on this 3 acre pond project. So the next task at hand is gonna be stripping off all the topsoil over the work site. There's gonna be about 1.5 foot topsoil over the entire work site, and all that needs to get pulled off and stockpiled. That way we can get to the good clay to start our dam. So yesterday we started stripping topsoil on this pond project. In total, we're gonna have about 650 loads of topsoil to strip off this entire project, which is gonna equal about 9,500 yards of dirt to get pulled off the top of this before we get any good clay. That's what that machine back there is for. It's gonna pull all this topsoil off in about 4.5 days. And once we get to that nice red clay, we can go ahead and cut in our core trench and then really get started on the fun stuff.
just another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to.